Getting some questions about finding percentiles, and I realized that I did not do an example of these. So I wanted to do a quick example. So this is from the homework set on 3.3, Finding Percentiles. And I want you to kind of think about a couple of things. First off, these are on order, right? If I were being asked to find the median, you would find the middle, the 50th percentile, the 50% in. So you would count the data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this would be 22, 33, 44, 55. This one has 55 data points. You double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it has 55 data points. So if I was trying to find the middle, since it's odd, I would actually be finding the middle point. But let's think about it mathematically. So there's 55 data points. If I took 50%, so middle is going to be 50%. So clear. If I did 0.50 times 55, I get a decimal answer. I get 27.5. And so we're going to pick the 28th number, which is going to be that number that's right in the middle. Now, if we had, let's say, we had 40 data points instead, that's an even number. And so remember, if you were finding the median, you would have two values kind of in the middle. So if I'd done the 50%, so 0.50 of 40, I would have gotten 20. Well, I wouldn't have taken the 20th point. I would average the 20th and the 21st. I would average those. So if we get a decimal, we're going to round up and take the 28th place, which would have been 11. So there's 11 in this row, 22 in this row, 33 in this row, 44, and 55. So this is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That would have been the number 26, which is right in the middle. So if I was going to find the 78th percentile, I'm going to do 0.78 times 55. 0.78 times 55, I get 42.9. If you get a decimal, you're just going to round up, and that's going to be the 43rd number. So 44 is here, 43rd is the number 46. Getting the 43rd number. 40th percentile, 0.40 times 55, 0.4 times 55 is 22. But that's a whole number, sort of like up here. I'm not going to take the 22nd number. I'm going to average the 22nd and the 23rd together. So the 22nd is 22, and then the next one is 25. So 22 plus 25 divided by 2. I'm going to average average those together. 22 plus 25 divided by 2. The average of those is 23.5. Let's keep going. 20th percentile, 0.20 times 55. 0.20 times 55 gives me 11. Since it's a whole number, I'm going to average that with the 12th number. So that's 13 and 14. So 13 plus 14 divided by 2 is going to give me 13.5. And 65th percentile, I would take 0.65 times the 55 data points. 0.65 times 55. That gives me a decimal. So I'm just going to round up to the 36th number. That's 33, 34, 35, 36 number actually happens to be the number 36, which is kind of weird. But that's why some of the answers, when y'all are looking at these, are decimals, because when you end up with a whole number, that means we have these even, we're going to end up kind of between 2 points. So we have to go between them. So it's between that and the next number. If we land between, we just go up to the next one. That means we have an odd number. So that's the rule. If you're ever stumped on some of these problems, if you click, I believe it's the third option down, second or third option down, show an example, they walk through these problems really good on Connect Math, and that can help. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I don't mind at all.